Welcome to the channel, guys. The biggest mistake beginners make in Flutter is jumping directly into the widget without understanding Dart. Without Dart basics, everything feels confusing. So in this video, you will understand what Flutter is and only Dart concepts that actually matters for Flutter app development. This will be a beginner-friendly tutorial, so open a new file in your VS Code. Every Dart program starts with the main function. This is the entry point of your application. When Dart runs, it always looks for the main function. In Flutter, instead of print, we use run app, which launches the app's UI. So remember, main is everything where the development begins. Now save your file. Make sure to change the type to Dart. You can give any name to this file. After saving the file, click on Run. As you can see, welcome to the channel is printed. Let's move on to the next topic, variable and data types. Variables store data. In Flutter apps, variables store usernames, API responses, button states, and UI values. So here we are declaring num1 as our integer variable and double num2 because it is having a decimal value. You can use var for automatic type detection or explicitly define types like int, double. Now printing the sum with the print statement. Also a key point to note, when we use this symbol while printing, it means we can add a single variable in a string literal while printing a statement. You can see how we store two values in two variables and then made a sum variable and got the solution in the sum variable. Let's talk about another data type, that is strings. And now inside the main function, we are declaring a string named as str equals to, giving it name coding is awesome. Then making another string str2. So now we are printing the string. We are adding both of the strings using concatenation operator. Here we can see how both of the strings got printed together with the help of concatenation operator. And if you are new to the channel, guys, do subscribe to our channel for more such amazing tutorials and projects. Also check out the video of installing Flutter in Windows from the I button. Let us understand about equality operator. Making a duplicate string of str3. Now we are checking whether the str3 is equal to str4 with the equality operator. We can see here the answer is true. Let us now talk about final and const keyword. This is very important for Flutter performance. In this code, I assigned ABC as constant value and CDE as final value. Let's understand this concept in much depth using this code snippet. At first glance, both look the same, yes, but both cannot be changed once assigned. Here is the real difference. Final gets its value at runtime. That means the value is decided when the app is running. Const is decided at compile time. The value is fixed before even the app runs. Just like in this example, sum const is a constant value. You can see directly 10 plus 20. Golden rule: if the value is known before the runtime, use const, otherwise use final. Like in this example, you can see we are fetching the time at present with final keyword. But if we do the same with const, it will throw an error. Let's understand about functions. Functions helps us organize logic. Flutter uses functions everywhere. Like in this code, we are making a function to add two integer variables, a and b. So our function add num is written the value of a plus b With the help of main function, we are calling this function, giving the integer values to the variable a and b. So this is how function works. Let us know about if and else statement. Assigning a variable value 55 as an integer. Now making a conditional statement with if, where we check whether a is less than 56, then we will print a statement. Otherwise, we will go to the else block and will print the another statement. So this is how conditional statement works. Conditions decides what the user sees. This logic directly controls UI behavior. Let's see for loop. Loops are heavily used in Flutter, especially when showing lists. Here we are going to make a loop which will print values from 0 to 20. Here we can see. Now let's talk about list. Lists are everywhere in Flutter. UI lists come from lists. If you understand list, Flutter handling becomes easy. Like in this code, we are making a list of type string named as fruits, in which there are different fruit names. With the help of for loop, we are going to print each of the fruit name with their indexes. In the next video, we are going to see some advanced concept for Flutter. Everything we have learned today will directly connect us to the Flutter UI and app logic. This is your foundation, and foundation decides how strong your app will be. So do subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.